The next one, which is example of agile testing. Here, what we call it extreme programming. Extreme programming, as we see, is an example of agile testing. It's not that's different. I mean, that's much here. It's only same idea of agile testing or agile methodology. Just maybe one thing is that we have this is for the next as well. We'll see. We generate the test first. Generate the test first before coding. Before coding, we generate the test also. The second point also here, it's each pair work together. If you want to develop, for example, these things, this module, this function, these methods, not only you and other one will work with you. So here, this is to make sure that, okay, there is another one will review your work. Another one will review your work. Okay, this is maybe the two main point of extreme programming. So as we see, extreme programming, it's can consider as one example of the agile models. So the difference here, it's that's or the points of these extreme programming is we generate the test first in terms of testing out, okay? So we generate the test first, and then we code based on that test. We code based on that test. The second point is every pair work together, which is, we call it here pair programming. So if you develop anything, you have to develop it with another one. So we have this, we can say it's self-review, or we can say it's double review by other developers. The next is also the same, which is the step of example. What I mean, if you want to apply these methods or this model, what you have to do. So here, the programmer first, as a first step, the programmer meets with the customer to see what they want. So here they will create. After that, they will create the user story. After now, okay, the requirements are divided into tasks with estimate times. Now we have these stories. Okay, we divide it into task with estimate time. Okay, we want to finish this is within, each one is 1 week or 1 day, or the customer is asked to prioritize the task. The customer, okay, which one you want it first? Tasks are assigned to the pair of programmers. So each two programmers will take one task. Unit testing are created based on the requirement. Okay, the pairs create code that buzz. Okay, here if you see here, this is now the other the first point. What we say is we have the test first, test and then code. So here we create the unit test. After that, we create code that buzz this test. We have, guys, one exercise only about that issue, which is how to create the test before the code. Okay, then you will see how we can do that. Everything is integrated every day. This is what we say is continuous integrations. Okay, pre-productions version is released. So now we have a small version, so we release that. And then the customer run the acceptance testings. So if you see, guys, here, it's the step of agile, same methods that we say is agile, but here we have two features, which is coding first, or not coding first, test first. Also, we have pair programming. So this is how we can, if you want to run this or follow this extreme programming project. Okay, guys, this is also another example, but here it's